Hello! Welcome to my channel, and this is my introduction video. To my students in the past and my present online students, this is what you have been waiting for. I finally have the guts to do this. In this channel, I will be sharing with you some of my knowledge and experiences gained over time as a speaking examiner, online IELTS tutor, seminar organizer, resource speaker, ESL teacher, and English lecturer. Before we start, may I invite you to subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos on 1. English tutorials. I will try my best to provide you with tips or activities that would help you improve your skills of the English language, be it in listening, reading, writing, and speaking. I will also upload tips, strategies, and techniques with how you're going to improve your skills of the English language, so you keep yourself posted. 2. IELTS preparation. As an online IELTS tutor, I wish to share some things or activities that you need to know about preparing yourself for the IELTS exam, be it in pen or paper or computer-based exams. I have used all this for all my successful IELTS takers for quite some time now. 3. Life lessons. Each one of us commit mistakes. So as we move along with our life, it is just but normal that we get to learn lessons in our life. These are the things I am willing to share with you in this channel. As they say, learn from people who experienced downfalls in their life, that it defines the person they are today. 4th, as a resource speaker, I will impart to you some topics I talked on while conducting seminars to government and private offices, teachers, staff and bank employees, and to all my students from all the schools I have served over time. So, that's it for the meantime. As a kick-off, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you get yourself updated on my first full video. See you then!